everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name on Thinkific application. To change your name on Thinkific, first of all open up the Thinkific mobile application on your preferred mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon or your name initial at the top right corner of the screen. This will then open up your profile, where you'll need to tap on My Information drop-down. Now tap on Edit Profile. After you open up the Edit Profile page, swipe down to first name and last name and type down your name in the text box that you want to change to. After updating your name, scroll down and tap on Save Changes. And there you have successfully changed your username on Thinkific mobile app. So that's pretty easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.